Shalom, aloha, hola. This is your brother Wasil Bay coming at you. Sham stopper, stopping the bullshit before it starts. This is my Conneticut child support lecture. Let's get into it. Okay, we're gonna go to the National Conference of State Legislators. Child support process, administrative versus judicial. Look at that. States have discretion in establishing child support orders and can choose to use an administrative or judicial process. You see that? You see that? Look at the difference. Who sets the order? Child support can be established by the courts or by administrative entity. Okay, what courts? It just say by the courts. It didn't say what court did it. Huh? Read between them lines, people. Administrative entity. Let's Google administrative entity. What is an administrative entity?
According to info.consulting.net, an administrative entity is a county, joint or a non-governmental entity with an agreement or contract with the department to perform operational and administrative functions delegated by the department related to the department's approved consolidated in-person, family-directed support waivers.
Y'all didn't hear from me. It's a contract. Let's go to many states use a hybrid or quasi-judicial process which incorporates some judicial elements. Let's go to incorporate, people. The law dictionary. Incorporate. To combine, together, unite as to form one whole, to form a corporation. To organize and be granted status as a corporation by following the process prescribed by law. What law? That's how they get y'all by law. Well, by law, what law? Quote me the law. Look, read that. This coming out to business banking terms. That's why I tell you this shit is a business, people. Incorporate. Incorporation. Legal interest in real property. They're treating your offspring as real property. Gonna go down. See the 50 tables? 50 state tables, I mean. Judicial, administrative. Let's go to Connecticut. Look at that. It ain't non-judicial or administrative. But they can use a process. Like processing meat. Look at that. A non-judge presides over it. Okay. Check out this fraud, people. Y'all better wake the fuck up. People in Connecticut, wake the hell up. Wake your asses up. Non-judicial officers. Magistrate. They already said it right there. Y'all on child support because y'all volunteering. That's all you doing. You volunteering. You volunteering to do business with these people. Special master. Let me get to my presentation. My lecture. Here we go. Child support process, administrative versus judicial. They incorporate some judicial elements mixed with administrative. Incorporate. That's what business does. Three elements, y'all, that determine where the process falls on the administrative judicial continuum are the form used, the presiding officer, attorney involvement, umbrella agency. What is an umbrella agency?
According to Wikipedia, an umbrella company is a company that acts as an employer to agency contractors who work under a fixed-term contract assignment, usually through a recruitment employment agency in the United Kingdom.
This their shit. This ain't my shit. The presiding officer is the person who is in charge of the supervising and running the process. Find out who the person is running this shit. The man or woman. The corporation act is the person and the man or woman acting as a corporation, their person. Find out who that is. Process, people. The presiding officer is a judge. But I showed you it said a non-presiding officer. It may be quasi-judicial, may not be. Instead of a presiding judge, I thought the officer is a judge. It may be a hearing officer who oversees the process. See, they play you with these words, man. Y'all got to understand and overstand. They say it's difficult to categorize states as fully judicial or fully administrative. The process depending on the type of order being processed. For example, there may be a different processes for contested, challenged. They got to show you. Did any one of you guys challenge your shit? Huh? Remedy right there. It's in black and white, people. Black and white. Type of process, judicial, administrative, no. When the process is used, they're using this process though. If you don't agree, they want to get mad at you because you don't want to be on their payroll. Okay, well, if he agrees, we're going to go and run through it. We're going to give him that little paperwork so he agree. We're going to give him a case number and all that old good shit. Yeah. A non-judge presides over all orders. Non-judge. For all you motherfuckers that get mad when I'm presenting this stuff to people, you motherfuckers coming out Britain, English, go kill yourself. Go put a condom on the bottom of a gun, put it in your ass, and let it go. Because your time is up. Superior Court. Non-judicial officers. Wow. Look at the people in the court. Look. And the brothers and sisters in there? Huh? Yeah, we want to take all their money. They're stupid. They don't want to read. They don't want to do none of this shit. Fuck them. Wow, magistrate. Wow. Special master. Only slaves have masters. Are y'all slaves? Huh? The men and women hide behind these titles right here. They're things. They hide behind them things. member of the bar, member of the bar, member of the bar, 5 years civil litigation, right? Right. Member of the bar. It's conflict of interest all on this shit. But then they turn around, man, not serving the judicial district. See? Hears and decides small claims cases. Consent of the parties is not required. No record will be made of you kicking their ass. They telling you right there. But the civil rules are relaxed. Criminal rules of evidence must be followed. Member of the bar, small claims commissioner. Wow, all these motherfuckers is the member of the bar. And look at this here. Tax. The word tax. Booyah! Statute not in Connecticut child support enforcement statutes. (46B 172). Look at it. Say file your claim. The child is a party. Probate court. Wait a minute. I thought we was going to child support court. Now family court. Probate court? Didn't I say it was a conflict of interest? Huh? Didn't I say it's a conflict of interest? Statute that is a remedy and blackmail at the same time. Look what this. Withdrawal of petition. Right? Agreement of settlement shall be withdrawn upon approval of a judge. But I thought it was a non-judge or in a Title 4D support case. Approval of the Commissioner of Social Services, right? What do you got to do with it? Conflict of interest. That statute's not in there, I just read. 46B 172. Where it said? Where it said? Now, if you don't abide by this is when they want to try to throw you in jail. But it says shall be in prison. Not more than 1 year. Any corporation who neglects or refuses to furnish reasonably necessary support to his spouse. Does it say girlfriend? Huh? That shit don't matter either. So they get you minorities to handle your business for you, and they treat you the way they want to handle you because you're asking for the services, their services. Well, people, that's the end of my presentation. And fight. If you don't want to fight, pay the shit, shut the fuck up. You know what I'm saying? You rebut they shit, they gonna give you a hard time. So that means that they give you a hard time is fraud. Right? I've been done that way. And I stand on it. And I'm past manhood. I am who I am. I gave them that shit back. You know. So hit me up. My energy is not for free. You know, I don't fraud people, defraud people. You know, let he who wants to be deceived be deceived. It is safe to be deceived than to be the deceiver. You know. And for you motherfuckers who come on my page, can't read and literate, you know, do yourself a favor. fuck it. Just kill yourself. Because you ain't gonna amount to shit anyway. You're a coward. It ain't in your bloodline to fight. You came from a coward tribe. Just accept your own fucking fatality. You know. This shit ain't for pussies, for cowards, what I do. This is for gods and goddesses, brothers and sisters, you know, who want to be free. So, you want to be free? Hit me up. My shit, energy ain't for free. And if not, Hotep to your victory. I just put the answers right here. I mean, if you can't read again, then that's your problem. Go to the library. Go somewhere, law library, because all the answers is in there. If you want to hide something from somebody, put it in a fucking book. Hotep.